India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines. International news. Yemen's Presidential Council sacks the Prime Minister. Ukraine's farm unions ask government to protect the EU market access. National news. Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand received heavy rainfall. IMD issued a yellow alert for New Delhi. The Adani Group is set to construct the world's largest single location copper manufacturing plant in Gujarat. TDP leader state news. TDP leaders stage protest outside AP legislature complex. Karnataka government announces new uniform fare structure for cabs and Bangalore. Sir Charles Wheatstone. Sir Charles Wheatstone was an active. In 1837, Charles Wheatstone partnered with inventor William Cooke to co-invent an electric telegraph. He died on October 19, 1875 in Paris while he was working on his new invention. Thank you.
Constitution of India. Preamble. We the people of India, having sovereignty, resolve to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure for all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all liberty of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation in a constituent assembly this 26th day.
let us wish our sisters and teachers. Good morning, sisters and teachers. And then we whisper, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.